Lisa.
I'm Andy.
And today we're going to be showing you how to upcycle and rejuvenate old terracotta pots. So to do this, we are going to be using, with the help of Monarch, we're going to be using the moulding and skirting brushes to do our paint and design.
Before we start painting, it's always good to kind of soak your brushes first in water, get it nice and wet before we use it. So we might just do that now.
Yeah, okay. We also have these disposable paint pots which you can put your paint colours into, and we've also got some painter's tape to do our design. So this is a really simple activity and you only need 5 or 6 things really. So today I thought we would go with sort of like a Mexican sort of theme. We actually love Mexico, so I just wanted to play around with what I think Mexican colours.
We've got our own little cactus in the back if you can see it. And the good thing about these, so these are precision and control brushes. So really good for small jobs like this. Super easy to apply using this brush.
These brushes are like the right angle as well to paint pots.
And then once the base coat's done, I'm thinking we get some painter's tape and do some funky designs. Now the important thing is, when you do stuff like this inside, get a good waterproof canvas mat.
Alright, so we are going to take 5, we're going to let these dry and then we're going to have fun with our little designs on the pots. Okay, so we're back. We actually let our paint pots completely dry and we're ready to use our painter's tape and do little fun designs on them. So when you're doing this, make sure you press the painter's tape firmly down. So I've done a couple of triangle designs on mine, nothing too fancy. Hopefully it will look good. I am completely finished. All we need to do now is wait for them to dry and peel the painter's tape off, and then I'm so excited to see our design. It's like a little reveal. Ta-da! This is our little slice of Mexico in our own lounge room. We did all this thanks to Monarch. I'm so proud. I think they look amazing, and yeah, good job, babe.
Yeah. Awesome and easy way just to brighten up those dull terracotta pots.